In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player in Mortal Kombat 11 on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Like other fighting games, Mortal Kombat 11 gives you the option to play against your friend on the same console. So all that you have to do is make sure that you have two functional DualShock 4 controllers. To start, connect the secondary controller to the console. You will be able to do this through a cable, so a wired connection, or wirelessly. You just have to press the combination of buttons to make sure that you can pair up the DualShock 4 controller. Once you have an additional DualShock 4 controller to the PlayStation 4, you will get a notification telling you to assign a user account. This is very important. To ensure that this is going to work and the controller gets detected for player 2, you either have to assign a pre-existing PlayStation Network account to that controller or create a new one, or alternatively, just use it with a guest profile. You have to choose between a PlayStation Network account or to use it as a guest. But once the controller is set up, then you will be able to launch the game and start. So launch Mortal Kombat 11, and from the main menu, you will be able to choose the fight mode. So select fight and then choose local to enter two-player mode. As the name suggests, this is where you will be able to do a battle locally. Now, the game will prompt you to select characters for both players, and player 2 will be able to use the secondary DualShock 4 to choose their fighter. Once everything is set up, player 1 will be able to start the match and you can play against each other. You can repeat this as many times as you wish as long as you connected the DualShock 4 to your console. Remember that you may need to have two separate accounts on your PlayStation 4 and assign one to each controller to play two-player, and if you only have one account, the second player will also be able to log in as a guest, so you don't need to spend time creating a PSN account if you don't want to. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player in Mortal Kombat 11 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.